I'm Robert LaCroix. I work with Red River, a Cisco partner out of Chantilly, Virginia, and Claremont, New Hampshire. Well, I use that every day. It's something that's in part of my daily tasks every day. Log in, look at logs, log in, maybe do some firewall rule updates. Just get a kind of state of the network. We have a managed services team. I'm not part of that team, but so I just use it for our company. Just to ensure VPN, connectivity, and again, just the rule. Then looking at why stuff's being dropped or why stuff's being allowed, kind of thing. I like the GUI based of the Secure Firepower Management Center. Coming from the ASA where it was the ASDM, I like the FMC where everything's kind of managed at that one pane of glass, which makes it pretty neat. Again, for using that, it's a single pane of glass, so I could have access to we have multiple firewalls, so I can point and click and be on to the next firewall in a few minutes, few seconds, really. Apparently I'm using an older version. They just went to, they got rid of EIGRP out of the Flex config, which was nice, and now I guess there's policy-based routing, and which is something I have to update my firewalls or my FMC to, so I could utilize that product. Right now I'm using the Cisco recommended version of the FMC, which is 7.0.5. Well, as far as securing end-to-end, I mean, I'm a big fan of Cisco products, so I've used other products in the past, but the Cisco products, I love them, so it helps a lot with the end-to-end. We have firewalls on the edge, we have firewalls internally, and even in the cloud now, so it's I feel we're pretty secure. Well, I'm a team of two, so it's either I'm looking at it, the other guy's looking at it, or no one's looking at it. So again, it's part of my daily routine. Is I get in there, and I make sure that I kind of status quo before I move on to other projects or other tickets for the day. So, but it's something, again, it's a daily process. There's the log right in, so. Yeah, I know it's there, but I don't really look at it. So I really don't. Again, it's something that's kind of in the background for me, but I don't really look at it. It's there and it works. I mean, I guess that's what firewalls do. They help you with your cybersecurity resilience. So I mean, again, I really dig this Cisco product. To me, it's user friendly. I don't like some other vendors. I've tried those in the past, but it's pretty easy. I'm almost like a caveman can do it, but we're a Cisco partner, so we get 80% off. So that's a big when you're buying stuff at discount, money's money, and the companies are looking at ways to save money these days. So. But they've been a Cisco part of my company for longer than I've been there. So, but again, I've used Checkpoint, I've used Palo Alto, and to me, Cisco is it's the better. I like it better. It's what I'm comfortable with, and hopefully I'll use it until I retire. I don't know, Palo just seems clumsy to me. I don't really, I don't like it. It shouldn't be a guessing game where stuff is. Cisco is laid out in front of you. Your devices, your policies, it's your logging or whatever. It's right, point and click where you need to be. Checkpoint I haven't used in a while, but so it's been some time. But it was an okay product. Again, to Cisco, to me, it's something I use every day. I'm comfortable with it. Well, for deployment, we actually have different locations in the East Coast, on-prem in data centers, but we also we have introduced a couple firewalls, AWS and to Azure. So we're implementing those now up in the cloud. So FMC in the cloud, and then FCD V in the cloud as well. The on-prem stuff, it's pretty easy. It's I could go lab up an FTD and practice, on my own time. It's super easy to download and install. You get 90 days to mess around in a lab environment. The cloud stuff I'm new at. I really don't. I know I built the firewalls there, but there was other limitations like load balancers that I didn't quite understand that I have to get some practice on and learn that and learn everything's going to the cloud. Oh, I love to. Yeah, they're awesome. I talked to the guys in the back here. I have a couple problems that keeps me up at night. I was able to come here and they're help me out with some different ideas. But anybody I talk to, they have the solution and it's the problem. The problem's fixed. So it's nice. I've never had any problem with TAC. They're awesome. Yeah, I can't give them a 10 because no one's perfect. I'll give them a 9 though, because they help me with any issues I've had. I mean, I could put a ticket in a day, and then the stuff gets taken care of in a speedy, efficient manner, and then I'm able to move on to other things that I need to worry about. This stuff runs forever. I mean, I haven't had any problems with any of the secure firewall. It just runs, so you don't have to worry about it, crashing out on you. All Cisco products, they run forever. They do. They run forever. They run themselves. I mean, you got to update them obviously, but they run forever. We're running HA pair on-prem, so scalability. I'll find that out in a few weeks. So I gotta change out some firewalls that are lower models to a higher model because of the VPN limitations, and I'm gonna have to do some work and see how long that takes, and hopefully not blow anything up. Secure firewall. Again, nothing's perfect, so I'll go with another 9, 9.2. Yeah, again, I love the product. It's it's something it's a part of my daily routine, so I dig it. Like I said, hopefully I could use it till I'll be using Cisco product till I can retire and not think about it anymore.